Imagine waking up tomorrow and walking into your kitchen. You turn on the tap, expecting clear, still water, but instead it fizzes. Tiny bubbles rush upward, and the sound is unmistakable, like opening a soda. You pour it into a glass, it sparkles under the light. At first, it seems harmless. After all, sparkling water is something we drink every day. Refreshing, normal, safe. But what if this wasn't just your sink? What if every drop of water on Earth suddenly behaved this way? The chemistry behind it is simple. When carbon dioxide dissolves in water, it forms carbonic acid. That reaction lowers the pH level, making the water slightly more acidic. Inside a glass, the effect is small. You barely notice it. But oceans are not glasses. They hold billions of tons of water. If all of it became carbonated, the pH of the seas would begin to shift. Even a small change in ocean chemistry can disrupt delicate ecosystems that took millions of years to stabilize. Marine life would feel the change first. Plankton, the microscopic foundation of the food chain, would struggle to survive in more acidic water. Shell-forming creatures like oysters and clams would find it harder to maintain their protective layers. Fish would experience stress as their environment slowly transformed. When the base of the food web weakens, everything above it becomes unstable. Entire ecosystems could begin to reorganize, adapt, or collapse. Humans wouldn't be immune either. Drinking carbonated water occasionally is harmless, but drinking it constantly from every source would feel different. Tap water would taste sharp and slightly acidic. Over time, constant exposure could affect teeth and irritate sensitive stomachs. Infrastructure might slowly suffer as well. Pipes exposed to mildly acidic water for years could corrode faster. The changes would not be explosive or dramatic, just steady and persistent. To carbonate the entire planet would require enormous amounts of carbon dioxide, far beyond natural levels. The atmosphere and oceans would enter a dangerous imbalance. This wouldn't be an instant apocalypse. It would be quieter than that, a gradual chemical transformation reshaping the balance of life. And it all comes down to one simple equation: water plus carbon dioxide, H2O plus CO₂. In a glass, it's just sparkling water. Across a planet, it changes everything. Because a question is the first step toward an answer. It's the point where doubt turns into confidence. While others are afraid to ask, you grow. While others wait, you act. Ask questions and become the one who knows where to go. Today, we explored an interesting question. Maybe there are many answers. Maybe your thoughts are still swirling like bubbles. But what matters is you thought about it. And every change begins with one question. See you next time.